Okay, hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Archeax, and today we have another very exciting tutorial. I'm gonna show you how to create this fancy online portfolio with just a few clicks if you already have an Arch Hive account. And even if you don't, it's gonna take you less than like 10 minutes to create this. So before we get started, let's take a look at what we're gonna be creating. So first, here is like a quick landing page where you start off with like a very minimal, your name and the cover for your portfolio, and then just scroll down. You'll be able to see the table of contents and your bio and everything. And then it'll take you step by step throughout your projects. Now, the cool thing about this is that I didn't have to create any of these. All I have to do is upload my projects to Arch Hive, and they automatically generate these layouts for me that I can easily share with potential employers or schools, or just sharing in general. What's really cool is that you can just share this in I can just share the link to this page, or I can also download the PDF version. So let's say, for example, I log into my account, then I get this secret button where I can download the PDF version of my portfolio. And if we take a look at it, it actually looks pretty good. It takes this very minimalistic approach to the portfolio and takes your project looking really amazing. So now this is definitely not the best portfolio I've ever seen, but it definitely gets you started and takes you let's say 50% of the way there. And from here, you can take this as an inspiration or point of departure to actually build your full-fledged portfolio. Now, after doing years of portfolio review, I noticed that a lot of students struggle to get started on portfolio. Like you often get into a writer's block, or you get a little bit greedy about shoving in a lot of content into the page. Now, once you do something like this to kind of quickly draft out your portfolio, you'll be able to get a quick start on your project or portfolio and yeah, be on your way. And this will save you so much time. So I hope you guys are excited for this, and I'll walk you through step by step on how to create this. So let's first off go into Arch Hive. Now the link to this website will be in the description. And full disclaimer, this is a project I've been working on with a couple friends of mine, and it's shaping up to be something very interesting. So I decided to kind of tell you guys more about it. Now, once you sign up to Arch Hive, you'll be able to click Upload Project right over here on the top right corner to create a project. And then you can type in the project name. So the first thing I'm going to type down is Totem Tower. So this is going to be a new project for me. And there's a new fancy feature called AI Description Generator. So actually, let me try using this for this project. And all you really have to do for this is that you give it like a less than 200 character description about your project, and it'll create a whole paragraph about that. So I'm going to describe my project over here, and I'll hit generate. Now it'll take a quick second to generate a whole paragraph, and let's see how it looks like. Now it's definitely not perfect, but this also gets you started. So I think that's the best part about this. Now for this particular project, I already have a description ready. So I'm going to go ahead and copy that over. I'm going to start uploading some images. Now to upload image, you can actually click on this icon over here, or you can simply drag and drop some images like so. Now you can take as much time as you want to fill out these details. I'm just going to fast forward this part. But what I'm going to let you know real quickly is that if you fill out the drawing type and skills used in this image, this will make the exposure of the image or your project greater. And this skill will also be used to generate your resume in the later steps. We have more big plans for Arch Hive to take these metadata and automatically populate the portfolio and your profile for you. So in the future, if an employer wants to hire somebody, they will be able to find someone with that skill set more quickly. So if you want to be the first in line for that, you might want to fill out these little details. Now, there's only one image by default, so I'm going to go ahead and click Add Image to generate more slots to add images. Now I'm going to start off the project with a bit of a research. Cool, that was a lot of images, and I want to make sure everything is in line, so I'm going to go ahead and look at the right side of the pane over here to see what our portfolio looks like. So this is a quick preview of what our portfolio actually looks like, and you can adjust as you need it. So for example, if I don't want some of these images to take a full width, for example, I'm going to find that image over here, and I'm going to tick off full width over here, and that should make the image a little bit smaller. For most of them though, I probably want them to be full bleed, and I think that looks pretty good. So when you're not ready to publish yet, you can always save it as draft, but keep in mind that only the published project will show up on your portfolio. So I'm going to go ahead and hit publish, firm, and give it a quick minute while the images are getting uploaded. Once that is done, it should show up at the bottom like so, and I should be able to browse the project like I had just seen earlier. Okay, everything seems really good. I'm going to go back to my profile and click on this Generate Portfolio button at the bottom of my bio. And with just a single click, they have just added a totem tower to the end of my portfolio. So I'm going to scroll all the way to the bottom. As you can see, totem tower has been added to my portfolio, and you can see everything laid out in a neat and nice manner. And of course, I can repeat the same process of downloading PDF and actually see that the project has been added to my portfolio. Look at that. Everything is done automatically with a single click, and the experience is pretty seamless. This is a really exciting feature, and I hope you guys will find it useful as well. And we have a lot of big plans for this feature. For example, we are planning to add customizability so that you can adjust, like different margins and font sizes and things like that, add page numbers. So if you guys have ideas for that, and maybe even like a resume page where we kind of scrape all your projects and even skills and metadata that you have put into your profile and automatically build a whole resume for you. So if you have ideas like this, please let us know in the comments and we'd love to take a look at them. So that being said, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you guys find this useful, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.